This obsession Nandina has been in this garden now for well over a decade. It's a pretty amazing little hedge for along a driveway. We don't do much, maybe prune it every few years, occasional water, yeah, we fertilise it every few years, but it's been the ultimate low maintenance hedge in front of this driveway. Obsession is an improved selection of the popular dwarf Nandina Gulfstream. It gets to the same height as Gulfstream, approximately 60 to 70 centimetres high, but unlike its parent, Obsession has bright red new growth in the warmer months as well as in the cooler months, meaning it has red foliage for about 8 to 9 months of the year. Some people become obsessed with plants. Why not? Imagine if you had a plant that has red foliage in winter, beautiful red all over, and then in spring and summer and autumn it gets red flushes of new growth all the time. Obsession keeps its dense, upright growth habit and does not spread with age. It can be pruned to keep it shorter. As a border plant, for mass planting or as a specimen plant, you will not find a tougher, easier to look after plant with red foliage. It copes with full sun to moderate shade, handles most soil types and is very drought and frost tolerant. Well, it has a great name too, Obsession Nandina. No wonder people become obsessed with this plant.